2021 Camry air filter cabin filter replacement. I'm going to start with the air filter. After you pop your hood, you come to your air box here. It just has these two little spring clips. You can just push these off. One goes straight back, one goes to the left. Once you get those off, you can kind of pull this air box forward towards the steering wheel because you need to get these tabs out of here, out of those little holes. Once you get those out, you can lift this up a little bit and you'll have enough room to kind of snake this air filter out. Just like that. And let me get my new one here. This is from the Toyota dealer. This is the part number for it. And we'll go ahead and get this guy out. Looks exactly the same. This only goes in really one way. It's a rectangle. Just put it in. Make sure the filter side goes towards the bottom, because that's where the incoming air is going to be filtered. All right, once that's in, it should just fit in there perfect. It shouldn't be sticking out or crooked or nothing. We're going to slide these tabs in first. Go ahead and just slide these in. It could be a little tough because the air hose. Be careful when these get older though. Those air hoses are going to be brittle, so be careful not to manhandle this too much and break your air intake hose. Okay, once that's in, you should be able to clip these on pretty good, and that's how to do the air filter on the 2021 Camry. So for the cabin filter, what you want to do is come and clear out your glove box. And right here is a door, there's a little tab right here. You push this tab and you can open it like this. Remove that. And then here is our cabin filter tray door. Notice this up, an arrow that says up. On the side here, you can squeeze these little tabs to get them out. Squeeze these tabs and just kind of pull it forward at the same time. On this side, if you have fat fingers, it's not so great. But once you get that out, you can just kind of slide it forward, and you can just pull the other side straight out. Remove this tray. All right, here's our tray. Now on the tray, it also says up with an arrow on it. That does not indicate the airflow direction. That just indicates that's the way they want the filter to be. So here's our filter. It comes out of this tray. I'll show you what's going on with the up arrow. So like right here on the filter, it'll say up, and there's a little arrow there. I don't know if you can see it, but that's just the direction of the filter. My guy who's always in the comments, Jack Tanner Hill Promotions, I think. He's always harping on the arrow thing, so I make sure to mention it in every cabin filter video. Got my new one here. This is my cabin air filter from Toyota. Here's my part number. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy out. Here's my new one. Has that up arrow with the up next to it. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the tray. These just kind of slide in. You kind of gotta just slide them under these tabs, and you know, just use your hands to get it in really good. Should look like that. All right, go ahead and slide it in here. Just put it back in here. All right, I'll put this guy back in. Now this guy's these little spikes. These go on the bottom, and then you want to put the left side in first. Now that shouldn't be too hard to do. If it's giving you issues, like if you're able to get the left side in but it won't go to shut, take the tray back out and just slide it back in. Sometimes they go in a little crooked or they hang down. Just push it all the way in, make sure it's good. That door, that little tray right there shouldn't give you too much trouble. So once that's in, we're gonna put this guy back on. Same thing, put the left side in first. Slide these little tabs in and then just kind of walk it in like that. All right, I'll just put this guy back in. Gotta have the user manual. And that is it, guys. That's how to do the cabin filter. I hope this video helped you guys out. Any additional information in the comments is appreciated. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next video.
You're pretty good.